Hello, do you have a RainDial sprinkler timer at your home? And maybe you just want to cycle through all the sprinkler heads on your turf areas. That's what this video is about. My name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona. I'm going to show you how to cycle all the stations on a certain program so that they run simultaneously, so you can just give yourself some more moisture on your turf areas, or maybe it's your drip for your home. So this is a 12-station RainDial timer. You might have a 6-station at your home, but they all work the same basically. And what we're going to do is we're going to run all of program A, which on this timer runs stations, and I'll show you what stations they run. This valve 1 for 25 minutes, 2 for 26, 3 for 26, 4. Okay, then we get to station 5, it increases to 30 minutes, and 6 back down to 26 minutes. And we are going to cycle through all these. If you go to station 7, you see that's actually a drip valve. So we're going to run all of program A, which is going to run all these stations simultaneously. All you have to do is make sure it's on runner or manual, and then hit the semi-auto button. Once it's on A and you hit semi-auto, you can see that station 1 turns on. And I'll show you over here in my home, station 1 is running. And it'll just go through each station and cycle one after another. So this helpful tip is just to assist you if you want to maybe get some more water on your turf areas because maybe they're looking a little dry. Maybe you want to just test the whole system. You can use, program B is all your drip valves. You can also cycle through all of those as well. So it's just a great tip for homeowners that want to just run their system, cycle it all the way through and kind of see how things are going, or maybe give your yard more moisture. My name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona. Please subscribe to our YouTube page and follow us on Facebook at AMS Landscaping. Also subscribe to our Instagram and Twitters at AZ Lawns. Make it a great day.